Hey folks, Mr. Tim here, and welcome back to Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and Common Sense. Today's episode is simple. You're going to learn the fastest way to get AI to fix real life problems the first time, without confusion, without back and forth, and without wasting hours. Most people talk to AI the wrong way. They ask short, vague, incomplete questions and then wonder why the answer is so far off. AI isn't psychic. It only works with what you give it. If your instructions are scattered, if you leave out key details, if you assume AI already knows background info, you'll get a messy answer every time. There is a secret fix, however. Here's the fix. I use something called the focus method. It makes AI snap into place. It works for real problems, money, tech, health questions, legal questions, family issues, anything. Focus means F. Frame the situation. What's happening right now? O. Objective. What do you want as the final outcome? C. Constraints. Any time limits, time budget, tools? U. Unknowns. What you don't know and need answered. S. Specifics. Concrete details AI must use. When you give AI these 5 pieces, you get clean, correct results on the first try. Here's a real world example. Here's what this looks like using something almost everyone deals with, and I know I'm aggravated about it, and I'm an electronics tech. Your internet keeps dropping or slowing down. A vague question would be, Professor T, my Wi-Fi is messed up. What do I do? That's not enough for AI to work with. But the focus version is frame. My home Wi-Fi keeps dropping on my laptop and phone. It usually happens in the evenings. Objective. I want a stable connection in every room. Constraints. I don't want to buy new equipment unless I have to. Unknowns. I'm not sure if the problem is the router, interference, or my internet provider. Specifics. My router is a TP-Link Archer on Spectrum 200 megabits per second. The house is single story. The issue is worse in the bedroom. When you feed AI that, the solution is instant. No guessing, no frustration, no 10-question ping pong match. You can use focus in your own life. You can use it for every problem where you want a fast, correct answer. Here's the list of ideas: car issues, technical problems, insurance questions, medical terminology, government forms, home repairs, money decisions, Medicare questions, Social Security issues, veterans benefits or VA steps, medical billing confusion, parenting challenges, school or homework questions for kids, anything that has moving parts, and you can see the list goes on and on. If you give AI focus, it gives you a result, not a debate. What to expect from AI? Here's the truth. AI isn't perfect. Humans aren't perfect. But if you stay structured, AI stays accurate. If you stay structured, AI stays accurate. Focus removes the guesswork and makes AI behave like a professional advisor. So because these are classes, I have a little homework for you. I know how much we all love homework. Well, I do, but I'm a little different. So pick one real life problem you want solved. Write it out using the focus layout. Come back tomorrow and I'll show you how to turn that into a perfect AI request. If today helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss episode 3 and grab the $9 quick start guide I pinned. It'll make your AI questions faster and clearer starting today. I'm Mr. Tim, and this is Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T, where AI finally makes sense. See you next time. You're in the right place.